What's going on? What's going on, everybody? Street Trading here. This is our weekly recap video. Let's get into it. Looking at a 15-minute chart of SPY. This was obviously a short week, guys. Holiday week. We had the 3 trading sessions. Then market closed obviously on the 26th Thursday for Thanksgiving. Reopened, which is odd. Half day on Friday for you degenerates out there. We didn't even bother turn the screens on. We had a nice 4-day weekend. It was very, very nice. But, let's get into it. Obviously, as you can see, the market is loving, obviously, all the vaccine talks, loving all of the promise to, have a stronger economy than what we're looking at right now. The question remains, guys. With all this, very quick rush, first to market type FDA approvals, who's taking this shit? If you're healthy, you taking it? I'm not taking it. That's the question. Obviously, if you're on deathbed, you're going to be taking whatever the hell whatever you can take. That being said, not too sure, guys. Optimism is there and we love it. You trade the market, trade with the trend, what the market's giving you. Trend is obviously pushing higher. Cracked through previous all-time highs on the 9th, cracked through last week's highs, testing all-time highs again. It wants to rip, guys. It wants to rip. We're looking at kind of a V-shaped recovery from like the late 90s, if our memory serves us correctly. So we're in the beginning stages of a continued solid run, right? Despite the shitty economy. But the fight's back. The fight's coming back. You can see the market's fighting back. Capital's being put to work. Fund managers are putting some serious capital to work. So why fight it? Don't fight what the market's giving you. Don't fight the trend. Right? So ended last week quite strong. The last session obviously had that gap up in the Friday's half day. Had obviously profit taken into the kind of relative into the close. But we're there, guys. Obviously, we're fighting. Definitely, the market's definitely fighting. Wants to rip, put all this shit behind them, and then crack 2021, in a whole new light. Keep that 2020 in the rear view and keep pushing forward. And that's what we're kind of seeing right now, right? That's where you're seeing a shift in the dire doom and gloom to the shift of, all right, maybe we got this. Maybe, we're going to start making some serious paper, right? You're kind of seeing it, guys, right? So, again, no matter what your opinion is, it's irrelevant. Last week was a pretty good example of that. So let's get into some of our trades. Some of obviously our watch list trades. Some stocks on a watch list that we did not get to. And let's get into some levels we ended up risking off of. Obviously, some stops we took, some hits we took. Rinse and repeat, guys. All right, let's get into it.